There is always a concept called the first sight. We as men or even women for the matter of fact, we are always attracted to the opposite gender. There is nothing wrong in being attracted to the opposite gender. But the point is, when your brain starts to dwell on it, for example, a beautiful girl crosses me, it is quite natural for me to look at her. I cannot just close my eyes and say, oh no, I'm not going to look at her. That is the unnatural way of it. So a beautiful girl passes by me, I will start looking at her. But the problem here is that after she crosses, my mind is still hooked onto her and I'm starting to imagine things, right? So maybe the amount of porn that we have watched, the amount of porn we have consumed, which has impacted our mind, now makes me to imagine different things with this particular girl that I'm watching. So basically, like I told you before, this is a mental adjustment. You need to rewire your brain. Your mind has been rewired to say, is this? One of the major problems with porn is that it makes us to look at women or look at men and women like objects of sex. They're like a flesh of meat. There's this piece of meat. That's how we look at them. We need to start looking at people with more respect, with the way how God has made them, how beautiful they are and all of that in a very godly way, I would say. So we need to reprogram our mind. Right now, if you're looking at women and you're having thoughts, if your eyes are focused on women part, then it's a serious problem of addiction. We need to work on it. In my life, when I was addicted, I came to this position once when I started looking at my own sister in a very lustful way, in a very wrong way. I started imagining having sex with her in my mind and things. So that's when I really understood there was something really wrong with me in my mind. There's something terribly wrong with me in my brain. And that's where this whole process of recovery started in my life. So if you feel that way, that you're not able to look at any woman properly, then I want to tell you, you really have a serious problem with porn, with this addiction, and you need to start your recovery process. Please get some help.